Do you have another stream of income in your practice? And if you don't yet, how can you get something like that in place so that way you're helping more people without having to see more patients one-on-one? And this is Chen Yen, your 6- and 7-figure practice makeover mentor at introvertedvisionary.com, saying hello to you from Flamingo Beach. Look at the flamingos behind there. So there are different kinds of income streams that can be possible that you may not have thought of before. Are there different kinds of things that you say over and over again to your patients, and you feel like you are a broken record, but your patients don't always remember everything you say? And there are also, beyond you fixing them, there are things that they can do with their lifestyle or make shifts within their life that could help them beyond, hold treatments for longer and benefit from it beyond just coming in and seeing you. So those things that you say over and over again, have you ever thought about putting that together in something that is like an automated course, or where it could be self-paced and they could learn whether it's a specific kind of a detox they can do that can support them, or something that, again, more diet and lifestyle kinds of changes that can be beneficial for their health. You could also look at offering something that is leverage. So imagine having a small group of people that you're helping. For example, there's an acupuncturist who actually she's also a naturopathic doctor, and she is now training other practitioners on a form of energy healing which involves visualizations, meditation, and she encourages practitioners to be making that available to people in a group setting. So, and in fact, it works quite well and has helped people have mentioned that things like knee pain or other kinds of issues of pain have improved through this method that she's teaching other practitioners. So could you put together something that is an online program that isn't dependent on you being in the office, and she's able to help those people through Zoom, and she's also helping the practitioners be learning an avenue of healing that can benefit people. So she's also making income from that as well. So what is something that you've done well within your practice that can be taught to, whether it's the lay public or perhaps something clinically that you figured out really well that can get people good results, and that you could teach to other kinds of practitioners? And it doesn't have to be just in your profession. So if you're a chiropractor, you could be looking at, are there things that you can educate acupuncturists, naturopathic doctors, or functional medicine practitioners about? If you are a naturopathic doctor, what are some things that you commonly do within your practice that could be taught to even medical doctors or functional medicine practitioners as well? So those are a few avenues of streams of income. So if you would like to hear about other avenues of income beyond what I've mentioned right now, and just because you might offer these things doesn't mean that people will just all of a sudden sign up, right? You still need to have people find out about you. So how do you actually reach people so that they do find out about you and then decide to purchase whatever it is that you're offering, or if you're offering products or supplements and that kind of thing too. So I get into that in the free masterclass that's coming up here, which is on leveraging your time, virtual speaking strategies that are working right now to bring in a consistent flow of patients and even another stream of income. So go to Get Booked Speaking chiropractic.com/virtual and register for the free masterclass.